Hello, welcome to Borrow's Edge Trader. We're going to do an overview of Ovrlord, which is our web-based AI futures truth sayer. Basically, it's a AI-based algorithm that looks at statistical data and comes up with a basic action plan of what's happening with that particular asset in the futures. We're looking at um, 9 different assets for the public view and free subscription view. So we have 9 of the most volatile. Basically, the Ovrlord gets its data, it has real-time data coming in, both L1 and L2. We have a market seed, 2 years worth of market seed. It all feeds a statistical engine, which then we come out with data that the AI can understand and has been trained. And so the AI looks at that data and then dumps to an output mapping. And the output mapping is a status, an action, a zone, an edge, the distance from resistance and distance from support, a vibe text, give you kind of an outline of what's going on, and a trade setup. Interestingly, the vibe text is not just the data from the statistical engine, but it's also looking at what's going on in Reddit and X and some discords, everything having to do with the futures market. A little bit more information about the data that's coming out, basically a legend. So we have a status which is confirmed or caution. We have an action, enter, wait, exit, or avoid. We have a zone, low, surge, start, A, B, C, D, exhaustion, extreme. We look for the low, and we're cautious when we have exhaustion and extreme. The edge, which is actually the probability calculation. So we try to look for anything over 55%. We have distance from resistance and distance from support, the vibe text, and an AI-based trade setup. This legend is also available on Borrow's Edge Trader Ovrlord, so you can go get it if you need it. So looking here really quick, just looking at ES, we have a caution where action is a wait, the zone is low, an edge is 49%, the distance from resistance is 6.75, the distance from support is 5.75. We have a strong short in neutral zone. See, look, we have zone C. We have a short with stop above resistance, and we want to target the lower supports. So basically, we would do an enter on a short, but I would be cautious because we're only at 49% as far as the edge goes. So I'd be really cautious on doing that entering. And if I did enter, I would probably do a 1-to-1 on my stop. So we have NQ and enter again on C, but again, the edge is not great. Same thing with RTY. Looking at YM, we have 58% in YM. So as soon as this would go to confirmed and an enter, I would probably look at doing a short. So for more information on zones, again, you can go to Borrow's Edge Trader Ovrlord, and we give a bit more information on what a zone is and how that's calculated. A lot of various software like NinjaTrader and what have you have a zone indicator, so it will indicate some of the zones. You can also see it through VWAP and things like that. Coming down to Bitcoin, We have a confirm, but it's a wait, it's low, but look, we have 51%. So I would be targeting Bitcoin up and popping up to gold. Gold hit a 70% right now in a low zone and a confirm. So it's a strong low. So I would be really, really looking at that and look where the distance is for resistance. So again, when you're trading on whoever, whatever broker you have and whatever kind of software you have, you can always come back to this and look at this and just give you an idea if help you be more comfortable with making that trade. Again, if we could help you not make a trade, and so you save that $50, that's a strong win. And again, this is free. Just go to Ovrlord.pro. It's the free public version. If you want a bit more information, like alerts, you can sign up for the free subscription version, which gives you the alerts. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Again, it's Ovrlord.pro. And have a great day. Happy trading.